So you've just struck up a conversation with an amazing girl. But how do you keep it moving? Luckily, it's not too hard if you use a few tried and true conversational tricks. To get the ball rolling, try an opener that invites her to talk. For instance, you might start by making a comment about what's happening around you, asking her for advice, or giving her a sincere compliment. Whatever you say, try to keep it relevant to the situation, which will help make it feel more natural. For example, if you met her at a coffee shop, you could say something like, "Wow, this place has so many options. Do you have a favorite drink here?" Asking open-ended questions is another great way to get her talking and keep the conversation fresh. Go for questions that are meaningful and need more than a yes or no answer. For instance, try something like, "Oh, you go to State U? How do you like it there?" Or, "When did you first get interested in engineering?" Keep the conversation balanced and give her plenty of chances to talk, but don't forget to hold up your end of the conversation. Try to hit on topics that you both find interesting and positive, and let your enthusiasm shine. She'll have more fun chatting with you if you're both enjoying yourselves. Stay away from anything too negative or controversial, since those kinds of topics can make a conversation turn awkward, fast. As you're talking, keep your body language friendly and open. Smile, keep your shoulders relaxed, and make eye contact, and nod to show you're listening when she speaks. If you have your phone on you, put it away so you can give her your full attention. Also, don't be afraid of the occasional silence. It's totally natural to pause now and then when you're talking to someone. Just smile and take a moment to think about what you want to say next, or give her a chance to take the initiative. If it seems like the conversation is winding down, or she tells you she has to go, end things on a positive note. Let her know how much you enjoyed chatting with her, and that you'd love to talk again sometime. If she seems interested, you can even offer to give her your phone number, or ask her for hers.